Yes! At long last! We're gonna draw one of my favorite prehistoric animals! Tonight, we're gonna draw Stethacanthus. One of my top 10 favorite sea animals from the Devonian seas. This prehistoric marvel lived in the same era as Hynerbaton and Dunkleosteus. He got his first appearance on Sea Monsters from BBC Video, Chased by Dinosaurs, the same one. And then he got a second appearance on Walking with Monsters. Well, he got his first appearance on Walking with Monsters, and then he got his second appearance on Sea Monsters. Basically, I believe it was Walking with Monsters that came first, and then Chased by Dinosaurs second. Anyway, getting started. This is the lower body. Now we draw the back fins. Oh yeah. One more thing. Recognize this dorsal fin on the top of his back? Well, actually, its dorsal fin is knob-shaped. It's a lot different than the animals we know, but that's what makes him the most special. That's why I decided to draw Stethacanthus as one of my favorite sea animals. I really don't understand why they never showed his name in Walking with Monsters or Chased by Dinosaurs. But if I ever have a documentary series, I would include his name. One more thing, guys. I saw this guy at the American Museum of Natural History. Remember that shark exhibition I went to? That was a good year. That was a good time. I went there with my dad. Good times, indeed, yeah. One more thing, I made this to represent my love and compassion. Beautiful, isn't he? Let me just fix that. There. That's how you draw a Stethacanthus from the Late Devonian. Beautiful, isn't he? He deserves this title. Stegosaurus, see you later, everyone. And be on the lookout for more amazing dinosaurs and sea animals.